I used to get so excited about new colorful eyeshadows. Now it's just a lipstick and a prayer that these retinol lotions will take away my wrinkles. Hi, I'm Jane and welcome to my channel. I am doing a cheap winter beauty product review. We're all trying to save money, right? Plus, I have a giveaway, so stay tuned to the very end. First up is Gold Bond Neck and Chest Firming Cream. Now, I have seen so many reviews on YouTube about this, and I thought to myself, how could it possibly take away wrinkles, like that you get here and here? I mean, there's really nothing that could take that away but surgery. I have to say, after using it for about 2 months, did it take away my wrinkles? Not really. Did it make the skin smoother so the wrinkles seemed a little less prominent? Yes. This runs about 10 to 20 bucks depending on where you find it online or in the store. But compared to the ones that you find that are in big department stores or specialty stores that run anywhere between $40 and $100, I think this is a steal. Next up is Sara V Face Moisturizing Lotion. This is the Ultra, which is the one that you use in, oh my God, I can't talk today. What is wrong with me? This is the one you use in the PM at night because it's a little heavier than their day one that has an SPF. And this also supposedly takes away wrinkles, whatever. But just like the Gold Bond, did I see or feel a difference? Yes, my skin was a lot smoother. It's not really a heavy moisturizing cream. It's made for people who also have acne or any kind of like rosacea problems. I can't talk today, but I'm doing a video anyway. So I like to follow it up with one of my nightly serums, whether it be carrot seed oil or rosehip seed oil, whatever you want to use. The price point is about $11 to $13. They also have a $2 coupon if you go to their site. And those supposedly heavy facial moisturizers that take away wrinkles that you get at the department stores, again, Sephora, whatever, those usually go for like up to $200. I mean, if you just get a couple of those a year, you can have surgery. Like, I just don't think that's worth it because it has the same ingredients. So you should try this because it will not break the bank. Next up is the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair with Retinol SA. I have decided that I wanted to start using retinol in my skincare routine because years of sitting in the sun, which I've stopped, I definitely see a difference in my skin now that I'm over 50. Is it that bad? Probably not, but I can't erase what I've already done, but I can prevent anything from happening in the future. Now, a lot of people complain that this burned their face. While it didn't burn mine, and I did stick to the rule that it said when you first use it 2 to 3 days a week at max, I didn't feel any burning, but I did notice when I put like other lotions on my face or my serums, it did tingle a little bit, but as I kept using it, it died down. But you do have to use an SPF every day because it is getting that top layer, I guess, off, and your skin is not as protected and it's more sensitive. So please, if you use this, make sure you use an SPF every morning, whether it's cloudy or sunny. Now this is a little more pricier at $17 to about $25 online, but again, that's not really as much as those other ones that I won't mention again, the price points, but you know what I'm saying. When you go into those stores, it's like, it's crazy. Like, I don't understand why they have to be so expensive when they're basically the same. I don't know about you, but my lips get so dry in the winter and I have to use something on them every night when I go to sleep or I wake up with very dry lips or like the cracked corners. There is nothing in this world like Aquaphor. And this little tube that you could use for your lips or whatever, it lasts a long time. You only need a little bit. And the price point on this is $3 to $4, sometimes even cheaper if you buy it by bulk. So how can you go wrong? And it's even good for your cuticles, like other really dry parts of your skin in the wintertime. So please, just go and buy this. You'll be very happy that you did. The next product is not necessarily for dry skin. In the winter time, my eyes water a lot from like the wind and the cold. So my eyeliner usually runs from my eyes tearing, or if I rub it a little bit, you know, to get the wetness off. And some of the pencil liners do not last. Even some of the ones that I found that last in the summer do not last in the winter, especially because you're putting heavier creams on and they do get around the eye. I have tried all the expensive gel liners, and my favorite is MAC. That can be anywhere between $18 and $25 depending on where you get it from. I've even tried the Bobbi Brown, which also goes up to about 40 bucks. It was just a little pot of eyeliner, and some of them didn't even last that long. So I was looking for one that was over the counter. I tried the L'Oreal Infallible gel liner, and I have to say that this stuff stays on. And it's only between $7 and $10 and comes with this handy dandy little eye gel brush, which is fantastic. $7 to $10 for both. I mean, you can't beat that with a stick. And now for the giveaway. I am going to give away one of the gel liners and brush sets. It's not in the packaging because I didn't buy it yet. For the reason being, it comes in Blackest Black and Espresso. So I want the person who wins it to pick the color. So all you need to do in the comments below is type out Espresso or Black. Or Blackest Black, sorry, Blackest Black. So if you win, I know which color to give you. You can also comment below if you've tried any of these products, and maybe you can suggest something that I haven't reviewed. I'd love to hear from you. As usual, like and subscribe. I'll pick the winner in about 2 weeks, so good luck to you all. And I have one more tip. I have very sensitive teeth, and I drank a lot of wine this holiday season. So I want to use a tooth whitener, but something that's gentle. If you want to do it on the cheap, all you have to do is mix equal parts baking soda and coconut oil. It really works. The only thing is that you should have like a little cup that you spit it out in, because if the coconut oil gets in your drain, and because it's cold, it will then solidify and it can block your pipes. And then you have to call a plumber, and then it's a whole bit to do. I hope you are having a great start to the new year, and perhaps we'll try some of these products. And thanks for watching.